Hello everyone, so let's talk about Bitcoin. I'm not financial advisor of any kind, so do your own research. This is how I trade. So in April this year, I did show technical analysis that I follow. Basically, it was a fib and it came to a little bit below 50 fib, which means it would go to 127. So I did say it will reach 120 and it did. So what is happening now? So at this point in time, we could expect a drop to 115. If that breaks, then the next drop would be 110 or 111 before it continues going on. So will Bitcoin reach 150,000 by the end of this year? So here, based on, again, analysis, I do see two levels. One is 138, 139, and another one is between 148 and 150. So in 3 months, I will post another video because I'm not trading daily. I just buy at this level and then wait until it goes all the way up. So how does it work with Bitcoin? So I wanted to show you the complete analysis. So the question is, which everybody is saying, will it reach 150 or 200, whatever. So this is my stringent analysis. First, Bitcoin operates in 4-year halving cycles. And here in this website, you can see what happens. So these were halvings. And then we have cycles, Fibonacci and logarithmic extension markings. They post halving peaks and they often projecting tops between 140 and 170. So this is how it looks like from 211 until today. So the next thing is current one. Again, you can find it at TradingView in Wikipedia following this link. So projection is 138 by the end of this year. So if we look at the structure, a macro uptrend, Bitcoin is above 200 week moving average. So which means bullish, weekly and monthly momentum. Both RSI and MACD are bullish, but not overheated, right? So looking at the volume and liquidity looks positive. So this is kind of interesting because when it comes to these halvings, I look at 213. After the halving, it went 10 times higher. In 2017, 17 times higher. In 2021, 7 times higher. So projection for 2025, even if it's a modest 4 to 5 times from the cycle low, target would be between 100 and 150. Of course, there is a risk, black swan, and that's why you need to kind of protect yourself, right? And then there is something called blind spot and lock-in, which means technical analysis works until the regime shifts. So let's hope nothing happens like that. So critical meta reflection, have all risk and alternative outcomes been considered? They are not. True black swans are by definition unforeseen. So you should you should have to figure out how to handle the risk. But again, it's a short time risk. Long term, if you keep it, it might be worth keeping it until 138 at least, or 150. So odds of 150 targets are 20 to 40. So odds of 138,000 by the end of the year are a little bit higher. So when we look at standards technical analysis versus stringent pure logic, then we can see there are differences. So standard TA, yeah, it's okay, but I'm more looking at this pure logic TA analysis. And so there is also a summary. So what is important is about these levels that I talked at the beginning. So support zone 112, 115, resistance 150, 124, and the target. So what is important here is that RSI is mildly bullish, and MACD is indicates trend strength. So you can see it on this chart where MACD is very strong and RSI is mildly bullish. So chances of coming to 150 are possible, as I said, maybe 20 to 40%. So the question is, will you buy right now? So if you, let's say, buy right now, you should be able to handle the drop down. So, which means in a short term, it will drop. And then probably by the end of next year, beginning of the next year, uh, by the end of this year and beginning of next year, yeah, you can expect a huge profit. So that's about Bitcoin. Next video that I will show will be XRP.